name is Elise. Today I'm going to show you how to fold my origami envelope that I designed by myself. I will try to go slowly so you can follow along. To fold this origami envelope, you are going to fold diagonally in half, but don't do it all the way. Just leave a little bit of space, just like this. And then crease sharply. Now you're going to take this. You're going to take this, and then you're going to fold it over on the edge you just folded. And then you're going to do the same thing on this side. But keep this folded. Don't unfold it. And then now you're going to fold this up a little. It depends. Well, it doesn't depend on anything. You're just gonna fold this up a little bit like this. And then you're gonna fold this point down so it touches this point. And then now you're going to take this and you're going to fold it down and then unfold and then fold down and then unfold. So then fold this back and then try and get this under this one, but also wait, is this folded too much? I think it's folded too. No, it's not folded too much. You're gonna try to fold this here, and then you're gonna also try and get this under here. So it's probably the most trickiest step of the model, but it's not too tricky. And then I'm just gonna try and get that. Come on. Okay. And then just flatten it down. And then here's the envelope, but if you want to actually put letters, like really small letters in it, then this is open, so you're gonna have to fold this up just the tiniest little amount you can. And there you have it, a little origami envelope. And you can stick real Post-it notes and stuff in it. Okay, thank you for watching.